Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well in your life and in your trading. And I'm back again with a very informative video and analysis, because as you can clearly see, Bitcoin price is pumping in a straight line as always, and every other altcoin is also pumping straight up to the point. Is it the right time to book the profits? Because I am seeing some bearish analysis for short term, but yes, there are some bearish analysis, or it's the best time to hold and add more money in your crypto portfolio. So what's the thoughts? I will discuss all of that in today's video, so stay tuned. And congratulations to all those people who first of all did your own analysis as well, and then also followed me on my Twitter, because there I shared some trades on Sand, USD, Litecoin and etc, and they are right now going in perfect profits. So I will share all of those as well, all the analysis too. So let's get straight to the point. Decided to first show you all my trade updates on Sand, Dogecoin and many other that I've taken all in front of you guys and informed you all. So I hope you learned something from it. If you have not entered in these positions, it's okay, but I hope you have learned from these trades and also did your own analysis too. So as you can clearly see, I entered in Sand USD somewhat over here at 0.4821 when I saw this breakout happening with a huge volume candle. As you can clearly see, this one right here, so I directly entered here. I did not wait for a retest because already the volume was so high and the Bitcoin's price was also pumping, and I always say that if the Bitcoin price pumps, every other altcoin will also pump. And now you can clearly see that there is a doji forming on the Sand USD chart. You can clearly see the price of Sand today pumped all the way up till here and now came back again towards the downside. Well, I will discuss it in my later part in this video, that why it is happening, and now in just few minutes you will see that every other crypto is showing something like this. So this is my trade update on Sand USD. I'm still holding my trade and my stop loss is still at 0.4497. I'm not shifting my stop loss at all, and my target is all the way up till here at 0.5846. There is one more trade on Stellar XLM USD, and I entered over here when I saw this bullish candle right here, bullish engulfing candle also, and a kind of a morning star pattern. As you can clearly see, there was a losing momentum of sellers, and you can clearly see one big red candle, then small, then small. This means that sellers are losing their momentum, and then a huge volume green candle came in. So I decided to enter over here in XLM Stellar, and as you can clearly see, it went straight up. But as you now can notice that the price of Stellar is also dumping towards the downside. Well, right now it is retesting this important level of my yellow support zone from 0.1117 to 0.1075. I've already made a detailed video on Stellar's trade previously on my channel, so do watch that out. You can clearly notice Stellar's price is also dumping from here. Well, same as I told you, and now you will see more. My Dogecoin trade, I entered over here at 0.0978 and it went all the way up till here at approx 0.087, and you can clearly see again a big rejection in the price of Dogecoin. Same, every other altcoin is doing the same thing, and the main important reason for this is I will share in the future in this video, future part, and that is the most important part, so don't miss out, because as you have seen the thumbnail and title, that is it the time to book profits or not. This is my Litecoin trade right here, and as you can clearly see, I entered over here at 69.18. of Litecoin also did a good amount of pump, I would say till $70, and now giving a rejection. And now you can clearly see the price of Litecoin gave a perfect retest of this my support zone right here, went all the way down till here, kind of did a retest of this trend line also and my support zone, and went above. Well, first of all, this is a good sign of bulls and bears both, so don't get confused, because the bulls pushed the price of Litecoin again to the upside above this support zone, but there are still bears that are projecting the price to move towards the upside, as you can clearly see by this red area of the candle. I am explaining this in very simple terms, so I hope you understand it. Currently Litecoin trade is also in some profits only, and I'm not changing my stop loss. My stop loss will be here at 65.46 and my target will be all the way up till here at 79.45. obviously I will trail my target towards the upside more and more and more. This is just my first take profit right here, and this trade is 1:2 currently, but I will try to hold it as much as I can till 1:3 and 4. If you follow me on my Twitter, I have already made a tweet about Ethereum 2 days ago that the price of Ethereum did a breakout of this resistance right here. I hope it is visible to you all, this important level of resistance right here. And I told you all that I will wait for the price of Ethereum to come back for a retest all the way down till here, and then I will enter long. So you can clearly see on the Ethereum's daily time frame, the price of Ethereum did came all the way down till here at approx $2,719 level, but I did not enter long because obviously I was busy and not able to trade. And I don't put conditional orders at all. I don't trade in conditional orders that okay, I will sleep and I will put my conditional order here. No, I trade on the live judgment of the markets, and I'm not in any FOMO. It's okay, because what I'm thinking is that the price of major cryptos will dump next week, so maybe I can find another opportunity in Ethereum to go long at a discounted price, or I can say in a dumped price somewhere over here maybe. Let's see what happens, but it's just I want to be transparent, and it's just my analysis that each and every tweet I do on my Twitter is real, and I'm serious about those trades as well. And if I miss and if I enter everything, I do inform it to you. Finally, I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and I want to share with you that what my analysis is saying, and I can be wrong, but it's just what I can read on the charts. So as you can clearly see, the price of Bitcoin again was pumping straight line towards the upside, and it did a very fast breakout of this important level of resistance at $48,000 level, like in just like this, in just matter of not seconds, but in matter of days, or I would say hours only. It did a very big breakout, and not with a complete retest also. If you can clearly see the price, this doji candle did not even came lower at $48,000 level. So you can clearly see that the price was in a hurry and moving towards the upside, and this is when the traders get caught. Every other trader is going long on Bitcoin, opening high leverage positions, because obviously no one is going short now. The price is pumping continuously. The market has taken all the short traders out, busted them completely, and now only long traders are there in the market. And if you look at the funding rates, they are also going very high and in favor of long traders. What this means is that we can see a long squeeze, what we call as the mass liquidation, which happened somewhat over here also. I hope you remember this time. So maybe, and also just a basic analysis that never ever any asset's price always moves in a straight line towards the upside. There has to be some kind of a sideways consolidation or a minor dump to the downside, what I majorly call a healthy correction, and then only it's better to move the price towards the upside or downside. So this is what is happening right now also. And you know what's the most important and amazing thing? There is no major level here. The major level was at $48,000. Next, the major resistance zone is this purple zone at $57,800 to $60,000. So right now the price is seeming to be reversed towards the downside. Not a major reversal all the way down till here, but small reversal maybe at $48,000 from a minor resistance. This is not even a big resistance right here. Why? Because the bulls are getting exhausted now. They don't have much power to pull the price towards the upside, and a small correction has to come. And if you look at the candlestick psychology, you can clearly see this big green body candle right here. Volume is pretty high, but you can clearly see this doji candle right here, and the volume is same as this candle. What this means is that it is a doji. That means buyers and sellers both are neutral. see, and a bearish engulfing candle is forming. Well, so yes, I mean, if you are in a long trade or holding Bitcoin, it's better to book your profits, and it's better to wait for the price to come down, maybe all the way down till $48,000, because that is a very, very important support now for the price of Bitcoin, and it will be a healthy correction if the price of Bitcoin comes down till $48,000 and make it as a support, and then I can enter in a long position in Bitcoin towards the upside and accumulate some Bitcoin too. Okay, so that's what you can do, and I'm not suggesting or advising you, it's just my analysis, what I think. So yes, today is Saturday and tomorrow is Sunday. It is a weekend, and major volume, major movements come during the weekdays. So what I'm expecting is, yes, the next week can be a little dumb for the Bitcoin. So this means it can be a dump for all other altcoins too. So I hope you understand it. And yeah, this is a long video, but I hope you understand it. Do watch it 2 to 3 times, because it's not just about buying and buying, it's about analysis also. Because if your knowledge is correct and if you are confident, then you can easily make money in a falling or rising market, in a bull or bear market. I hope you understand it. Guys, I hope you understand in this video what I'm trying to say and what can happen in the future. And this is just what I'm seeing on the charts, and charts trying to tell me. If you have any other analysis that you believe that no, it is not true, and my analysis is contradicting, then you can easily share it in the comments. I will read all the comments, and I will also see charts according to your perspective and your view too. So I hope you understand all my trade updates on Dogecoin and Stellar and Litecoin, etc., and Ripple also. And yeah, Ethereum's price, what I think is that it can dump more, and I will definitely enter in a Ethereum long position if I get a good entry. And obviously I will inform you all on my Twitter as well. So do follow me on my Twitter. Link is in the description and in the comments. And if you want to trade any crypto, or you want to buy any crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, any crypto you want, you can do that on Bybit. You can create an account for free on Bybit and get up to $30,000 gift too. Link is in the description and also in the comments. And yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand it. So guys, next time, thank you for watching.